In this video, I'm going to talk about the 7 things that will destroy your mental health. So listen up. Number 1, stress. Chronic stress can take a toll on anyone's mental health and lead to things such as anxiety, depression, or even trouble sleeping. Stress can become harmful once it becomes chronic, meaning that it happens for multiple weeks or even months on end. When a person is constantly stressed, it can lead to symptoms such as difficulty sleeping, irritability, low mood, difficulty concentrating, and over time, stress can lead to things such as anxiety and depression. It can also worsen the symptoms of already existing mental health conditions. Stress can also have physical health consequences, such as increasing the risks of heart disease and weakening the immune system. Therefore, it's important to find good ways to manage stress so that you can maintain good mental health. Let's take a look at the next one. Trauma. Experiencing a traumatic event such as abuse, a natural disaster, or a serious accident can have a profound or lasting impact on your mental health. Trauma refers to a deeply distressing event or disturbing experience. And this can be anything from, a small trauma, such as a small t trauma, which is such as being left in the grocery store, when you were a kid and not being able to find your parents or your mom or your dad. There could also be things such as a big T trauma, which is things such as being in a car accident, or being in a plane crash, or getting mugged while walking home from work. When a person experiences trauma, it can cause them to feel overwhelmed and helpless. They may even struggle to process or understand what actually happened. This can lead to a variety of things such as depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, also known as PTSD. Trauma can also lead to changes in the brain. It can lead to increases in the stress hormone called cortisol, which can affect your overall mood and well-being. It's important for anyone who's experienced trauma to seek help from a mental health professional to get proper guidance. The next thing would be isolation. Feeling lonely or isolated can lead to feelings of depression and anxiety. It can also lead to feelings of sadness and a lack of purpose. Human beings are social creatures and we need social situations to survive and thrive. When we're isolated and don't have a sense of community or connection with anyone, it can be difficult to find a purpose in life or even feel connected to anyone or anything in life. It can also be really difficult to deal with the stresses of daily life. Isolation can also lead to a lack of support when facing mental health challenges. It can be also harder to find support and feel like we're not alone when we're isolated. On the other hand, having strong social connections and a sense of belonging can provide a sense of support and increase our well-being. The next one would be lack of sleep. Not getting enough sleep or having poor sleep quality can affect your mood or negatively affect your cognitive function. Lack of sleep can lead to things such as difficulty concentrating, irritability, and a low mood. It can worsen existing mental health conditions such as anxiety and depression. In addition, sleep is important for physical health. It helps the body to repair and restore itself. And a lack of sleep can lead to things such as a weakened immune system and an increase in developing things such as heart conditions. It's really important to get enough sleep to maintain good physical and mental health. The next one, substance abuse. Substance abuse includes things such as alcohol and drug use, and it can lead to a variety of mental health problems. It's basically using drugs or alcohol in a way that potentially harms the person using them or other people as well. Substance abuse can lead to changes in the brain that affect mood and cognition, and it can also lead to things that interfere with the brain's ability to control emotions, impulses, and regulate behavior. Substance abuse can also worsen pre-existing mental health conditions. It can also lead to the development of other mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety. Substance abuse can also lead to relationship and social problems. So take care of your mental health. Next one, negative thinking. Focusing on negative thoughts and beliefs can lead to feelings of hopelessness and despair. Negative thinking can have a negative impact on mental health because it can lead to distorted views of oneself, others, and the world around you. Negative thinking can include things such as all or nothing thinking, jumping to conclusions, or magnifying negative events. These patterns of thinking can contribute to factors such as depression and anxiety. Negative thinking can also lead to changes in person's behaviors, leading them to withdraw from things that they find challenging and avoiding social activities. This can lead to a decrease in the quality of life and a person not reaching their full potential. On the other hand, thinking positively and learning how to reframe different events can significantly improve someone's mental health. The next one, poor physical health. Chronic physical health conditions such as heart disease, obesity, and diabetes can also lead to mental health challenges. This can be for a number of reasons. Physical health and mental health are closely interconnected and can directly influence one another. For example, a person who is in poor physical health might experience things such as pain, fatigue, or difficulty sleeping, which can affect their mood and overall sense of well-being. Poor physical health can also lead to a feeling of helplessness and a lack of control, which can lead to things such as anxiety and depression. In addition, physical health problems can lead to things such as stress and affect a person's daily routine, which of course affects mental health. So it's important to take care of your mental health and physical health to maintain a good well-being. The last one, poor diet. A diet in processed or unhealthy foods can lead to poor mental health. This is because the proper nutrients are important for the brain's body and brain function. When a person does not get enough of the nutrients they need, it can affect their mental and physical health. For example, a diet that is low in nutrients can lead to low mood, difficulty concentrating, and fatigue. Certain nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in fatty fish, nuts, and seeds, are important for brain health and may have a positive impact on mental health. On the other hand, a diet that is high in processed foods or high in sugar can contribute to inflammation and may worsen the symptoms of anxiety and depression. Therefore, it's important to eat a healthy, balanced diet to maintain good mental and physical health. And if you're struggling, seek help. There are many resources available, such as medication, therapy, counseling, mental health coaching, YouTube videos, a wide plethora of things that you can do to improve your mental health. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to press the like button and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more ways to improve your mental health.